Ever wondered what kind of bank Lloyds really is? You see those iconic black horse logos everywhere across the UK, but beneath the surface, what exactly defines this financial institution? Is it the same as your local building society, or does it operate on a completely different scale? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep to uncover the true nature of Lloyds Bank. For many, the term bank conjures up a general image of a place where you deposit your salary, pay bills, and maybe take out a loan. And while Lloyds certainly offers all of these essential services, its classification goes a bit further. To truly understand what type of bank Lloyds is, we need to look at its structure, its history, and the breadth of services it provides. Historically, Lloyds Banking Group, of which Lloyds Bank is a key part, has evolved significantly. It has roots stretching back centuries, growing through mergers and acquisitions to become one of the big four clearing banks in the United Kingdom. This historical context is crucial because it shaped the bank into the large, multifaceted organization we know today. So, what does it mean to be a clearing bank? Essentially, it signifies that Lloyds participates directly in the UK's payment clearing systems. This allows for the smooth and efficient transfer of funds between different banks and accounts. It's a fundamental aspect of the financial infrastructure, and Lloyds plays a significant role in this process. Beyond this core function, Lloyds operates as a retail bank. This means it primarily focuses on providing financial services to individual customers. Think current accounts, savings accounts, mortgages, personal loans, and credit cards. These are the bread and butter of a retail bank, and Lloyds offers a comprehensive suite of them. Their extensive branch network and online platforms are geared towards serving the everyday banking needs of millions of people. However, to categorize Lloyds solely as a retail bank would be an oversimplification. It also has a significant presence in commercial banking. This arm of the business caters to small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and larger corporations, offering services like business accounts, loans, trade finance, and treasury management. This demonstrates that Lloyds' reach extends beyond individual consumers into the realm of business finance, supporting economic activity and growth. Furthermore, Lloyds Banking Group also encompasses divisions dealing with wealth management and insurance. While these might operate under different brand names within the group, they are integral parts of the overall financial services offering. This diversification allows Lloyds to cater to a wider range of financial needs, from helping individuals plan for retirement to providing insurance products. Therefore, the most accurate way to describe Lloyds Bank is as a universal bank or a full-service bank. This term signifies a financial institution that offers a wide array of services, spanning retail banking, commercial banking, investment banking. Though their investment banking activities are less prominent than some other global players, wealth management, and insurance. They aim to be a one-stop shop for a diverse range of financial needs, serving individuals, businesses, and institutions alike. So, the next time you see that black horse, remember it represents more than just a place to keep your money. It represents a large, established institution with a significant role in the UK's financial landscape, offering a broad spectrum of services to a wide range of clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.